Welcome to our Liquid Armour H2O training demo video part 1. Please feel free to pause this video at any time for more accurate guidance. Please note this video is for guidance purposes only and not seen as official training. To book your training on our Liquid Armour H2O product, please feel free to contact us on 011 763 6253. Step 1. It's very important to make sure your vehicle is cleaned properly, using a water-based cleaner to make sure all grease and grime is removed from the surface. Use a jet wash to ensure the surface is cleaned correctly. Any dirt on the surface can cause the product to lift or make bubbles. A clean surface means good adhesion and a great finish. Please make sure that your vehicle's body is prepped if there are any bumps or dents that needs to be fixed. The surface must be as smooth as possible. After cleaning the vehicle, you will have to make sure that the surface is super dry in all edges and corners. Liquid Armour H2O works best with a clean, dry surface that's well prepped. This helps to give you the smoothest finish possible. You are now ready to start the masking process. For more information on the Liquid Armour H2O products used, please feel free to contact us or visit our online store at www.taverasford.co.za.